Run an SPX Lotto? No, not yet. Here in a little bit, maybe we'll run something. Let me just watch for now how the market is. It's way too soon to make the trade. Yo, what up? What did I want? Oh, this. Getting my post ready on TikTok. Whoa. Eval, well, I passed evals kind of already, or not passed. Hey, check your dim. Yeah, I got you, bro. I have not looked at my DMs, I swear, but I got you today. Voila. I got you. If you want to hop on a call, we can hop on a call too. What the fuck? There is no way. There is no way. What up? It just kicked you out like that just to do that? Bro. Oh, man. That's crazy. Alright, just made my post. What up, guys? Alright. She already moved 40 points. Damn, dude. That's fucked up. That's cooked. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I am liking this for a long amount way. This is pretty bullish. Okay. I'm gonna watch gold longs here. GLD. News at 10. Oh yeah, we do have news. Thank you for reminding me. Actually, I'm not gonna trade it then until that happens. I'd rather just wait for the news. What news do we have? Factory Forex. Let's see. We have April 10. It's gonna be employment change, unemployment rate. Wow. These already came out. Consumer inflation factor. Okay. We do have some news. It's not gonna be crazy news, but we do have some news, so I'm probably gonna want to just sit back. Thank Keep selling hard. Yeah, gold. I'm with Z on that one. Like it's definitely bullish, but fuck, dude, that's crazy. It literally stopped him to the tick. If you guys are not watching him. Yeah. I know. I know. Oh damn. Alright, I'm logging this in case. I'm logging this, but I'm just watching for which contracts do I want to fucking take. Um, Alright, I think I'm gonna try 433 cons. I'm taking 433 cons right now, average of 5.31. Look to average down though. Just giving you guys a heads up. GLD 433 call. CODTE. Price, I bought it for 5.31. Stop loss. Looking for average down. Alright. First time on the tube, kind of nervous. Oh shit, my bad. My alarm kicked off. Is that a good demand? Yeah, I see it holding, but I'm looking to average down. Just broke off a two up. God, these contracts are not moving at all. I might have to swap contracts, to be honest. Are you in longs? Yeah. See the 15-minute Z? The 15-minute where it's at right now, that demand? Yeah. That's the idea. So 15-minute right there, if it does not hold this, then maybe the one below it. Yeah, I took calls and gold, yeah. Smell it? I don't like these contracts, they're not moving. Alright, these contracts are up 2% right now with this move. They're up 2%. That's crazy, isn't it? Let that sink in. You sound low. My bad. Is it better now? They're up 3% right now, guys. These are the contracts I'm in. Why are you taking this 15-minute demand? We are failing to break out of. Have a little bit of an uptrend happening inside of it, so I want to see us break out from the highs, push up to the daily high. So break out of this would be the idea. Push up higher. 4% here. Are you taking this? Yeah, I'm already in. On options though, not on futures. I'm ready. You see these accounts? Look. I thought you were waiting for the 4 hour to close. Yeah, I mean, that would have not been a bad idea, but let's chill. I like this entry though. It is. Are you trading futures today? I trade gold and ES or SPX basically on options. So same thing as futures. It's pretty much the exact same thing. So nice push up here. What are we at? We're at 4% right now. These contracts are moving so shit. Holy. 5% right now. For anybody taking on futures, you should be up 6 points from my entry. I'm up 8% right now on options. Beautiful push up right now we're getting. But I am in with about $3,000 worth of contracts, so that should be a decent play if we could catch a nice trade right now. Are you in the trade? On options. Alright, give me 1 second. Be right back. Someone's knocking on my door. Alright, these contracts are consolidating at 9% right now. We have a new 4 hour. If you guys want to exit, feel free. I'm personally okay with holding. Launch your trading. Now I am. I'm in this, but I'm in this on options. How can I? Should I just start streaming my Weeble? Like, oh shit. Zizi, what are you looking at? What level? Okay. I think you should wait. Yeah. What app do you use for options? Weeble. I here's a new 4 hour here. We have news as well. Oh my god, 26%, 23%, 13% right away. Damn. No, it went up to 23% and it just went right back down. Options, gold was flying right there. Gold just flew up and then it's dumping back down right now. It's at 10%. What the hell? But I think we shall just wait and see. What's the news? Let's see, what's the stats that they gave? World's most powerful reset, Trump says. I know, I gave him your number. Yeah. He's like, you don't want to do anything, let me call Z then. I said, okay. So I gave him your number. I said, do you have his number? He said, no. I was like, alright, here. And I just gave him your number. 'Hourly's an inside bar, what the hell? Nice push. Are you in that trade? Yes. I'm in on options. It's up 10% right now. %. Holy flip. You know how weird I feel showing them a projection on the screen and just saying, oh, it's up 10%, 12%? Bro, I do not like that. Why did you take so deep in the money? These contracts were really the best thing I could find at that time, so. I was just looking at the theta and the delta. I didn't notice I was looking so far in the money, to be honest. It's just a mistake. But, like, I didn't selectively pick these contracts out. I was just looking at theta and delta, and then I looked at the delta on this, theta on this, and then it was okay. Really low compared to the other ones, so I was like, oh, okay, I'll just get these. Can't you stream Webull on PC? I don't know, can I just log in onto my Webull on computer and do like Webull browser or some shit? Let me see. Oh my. Let me see this real quick. Volume is really low on these contracts. It is, but if we get a crazy move up like to these highs, then we should get a decent percentage out of these contracts. To be honest, so we should be fine. Not really trying to rush it. Oh, there it is. Trade. Would it be here? Yes, there it is. Alright, these are the contracts. This is horrible, yo. We have Netflix earnings today. Position unlock. Well, at least it shows me the position I'm in. Let's see. I could maybe add it to my stream. Oh, it's up 12% right now on these contracts. Let's go to OBS real quick. Fuck. Right. Can't hear you? Why you can't hear me, bro? I'm gonna name this. Whoa. I'm gonna name these Webull. Select window. Webull. Okay. And then can I crop it? Doesn't let me crop it. Z, do you know how to crop on the computer? Or no? Like crop a projection? or something? No. Filters, properties. Is it transform? Edit transform? No. Is it order? No. Scale rendering? Guys, I'm sorry if I'm not answering. I'm trying to like find the right thing to crop it. How to crop a source. Oh. Okay, hold it and then Alt key. Ah, I found it. It's that easy. I fuck with that. Alright. Boom. Kablow. There we go. Now this and I need this. Windows key shift. No, it's just Alt. It's just Alt and then that's it. You should be fine. But yeah, did that. And now we just sit back. Yo, what up?
Morning, bro.
Good morning. How you doing, sweetheart?
Chilling, bro. I just wrote an exam.
Hmm?
I just wrote an exam.
Oh no, that's not good, bro.
Nah, it was like,
Did you pass?
bro, yes, bro. Actually, I don't know. I walked in. It was multiple choice, 41 questions. So I guessed all of them, and I walked out. I put a lot of C.
We coming back. We coming back down. I think we push up all the way to daily high. Look at the previous day highs. We have not taken them. Oh.
Oh, the trading combine last night? Oh, you took another one?
Back at entry.
Oh, you fucking went in Q now? How is CPI?
Nothing happened in CPI.
Who traded CPI?
We just
Nothing?
nothing crazy happened in CPI. I mean, if you don't look at NQ, don't look at NQ.
I see longs.
No, don't look at NQ. But gold did nothing for CPI.
Did anybody bank on CPI? CPI banged? Yeah, it looks tough, low key. Even
No.
20 points.
No, it was nothing.
What are you talking about? He called it. Took 7. Plus 2K. CPI. I blew my funded on CPI. How? Bro, it is.
Oh god, that's not good. Gold went dump.
If you did 3 cons and 30 points, you got cooked. I love after PE. Yeah, and NQ's like NQ's like nah, you tripping. NQ's literally like a gold digger that like loves you for your money. Like sometimes it'll make you happy, but like 80% of the times it'll like be like fucking annoying and bitch about everything.
Good comparison, honestly. Good comparison, yeah. You got it right, bro. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, I'm pretty spot on with
You're
my
pretty
analogies.
spot on.
Y- Yo, is Cyber in here? Cyber Bash. No, sorry.
Cyber's
Dude,
not
that
here.
trade I alerted last time blew for like 30 points, bro. That shit was crazy.
I think we get a move up on gold.
I know.
Hopefully
I'm
fine, you know.
waiting. I'm gonna short it like from.
I think I'm gonna add more.
Hold on. I'm gonna short in gold from like 48.20. Yeah, but fucking Cuba.
Alright, no, I'm not adding anymore. I'm just gonna leave it. We gotta break off the 4 hour, 14% on gold calls right now.
Yo, is TradeFX working today? Oh, it's
15%.
still down.
Yeah, I'm trimming to just one runner, guys. Or two, actually, two runners right now. Alright,
Oh wait,
I
yo,
trimmed out.
hurry up
I'm
and
only
load.
in with two more runners. Giving you guys a little heads up. I'm only in with two more runners now. Holy, gold is up 23% right now. I'm taking one out right here because ZC's shorts. I want to play it passive. Yeah, I do want to play passive. He's onto something, so definitely with him on that. But I'm gonna leave one runner.
Yeah, I'm gonna short it too soon. Yo, how much do I have to make on that select turbo, like in one day, for 40%? Is it
3,000.
3,700?
What do you mean? It's 3,000 3 days, no?
Okay, but consistency is 40%, so I can make 3,600 in one day.
Yeah, but just make it fucking even, bro. 3,000. Why are you edging? What the hell? 3,600 for 3 days and then bro, just make it 3,000, gang. Just make it 3,000 every single day for 3 days.
Okay.
Stop doing too much, bro.
Yo, my bad, biggest bro. Fuck.
No, bro. Like, oh my god, bro. You. Ah. Right.
Yo, this nigga off his marbles, bro. Nigga done lost his marbles, bro.
If we consolidate here, I am going back up.
Yo, these giveaways gotta be fucking rigged, bro. I never win shit. Are you guys excluding me because I'm an admin?
Alright,
Is
if
that
this
what's
keeps pushing here, I might add more. I might re-add my contracts, guys. If this closes bullish, I'm adding my contracts back in, because we're up 21%, but it's still a lot of push-ups, these highs. Oh my god. Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with this shit?
Alright, I'm re-adding back. I re-added back, it dropped my percentage back down to literally 0% in trade. But I added two more contracts, so we're total 3 right now. Let's just go to that high.
Project X. Project. Hell in twin them. That's tough, that's tough.
Period up, period up. I take profit very fast, bro. It's okay. Oh god, we're tapping to this 5-minute FVG, bro.
Fuck your FVG now, bro.
Yeah, this 5-minute FVG is scaring me. Why trade options? Any reason? We're doing a challenge 5 to 50k, so that's why I'm trading this. But yeah.
Where's your stop, see?
Me?
It's easy. Oh.
I mean, we do have that supply right there, so if it breaks. Yeah.
Yeah, but your stop's up below it.
I think we break out of that though. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I guess I'm gonna get cooked. I'm gonna short it from there. No, from 48.19.
That's high, yeah.
Literally, that's why I asked you, because I had my limit there.
Can I enter now? I just re-added to it, so I mean.
Enter on Z, stop. Yo, stop.
The thing is I do see this for a short right now. My head is like tweaked the fuck out because I see this for a short and I see this for a long.
So if I catch this, am I daddy? If I catch this, are you gonna call me daddy? But if it does, if it does, no. You're calling me daddy? Yeah?
Alright, let
Say
me
it
go
on
bring my
stream.
coffee. I'll be right back.
Turbo, you heard that, right?
I heard that. I hope no one heard that.
You gotta talk to Jake. What's JPM saying today, bro? It's a nice day outside. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Z. Ever since you took the robe off, bro, it's just not been hitting, bro. I think you gotta put that shit back on. Man, I hear it if you send me a free eval. What? Yo, I think we actually like destroyed Trade Effects, bro. This shit's still down from yesterday. Oh, Nick, I said tomorrow, bro. You already fucked up the session today. You already fucked it up, bro. Yeah, it's battle. If I get cooked on this, I get this my only trade of the day, to be honest.
Up 6, 7% right now, guys, on these contracts. 9% right now.
Yo, I'm gonna take it on a blown eval on my Top Step account so I can watch it on Project X, but I'm in on my Tradeovate. I just don't want to alert Tradeovate shit. Just so you guys know.
Alright, I'm exiting one here. Trimmed one out again. Up 12% from that re-entry.
Oh, maybe it just doesn't tag me in. NQ is fucking flying, bro.
Gold needs to break that daily high.
Yeah, we kind of cooked if it did that.
I think it does. I think you could short it after it breaks that daily high.
Let's see.
Let's see.
GC, no. GC, come back.
It's a 5-minute.
There's no
Alright,
way.
if it breaks this to the downside, I'm out, fully out when it breaks this to the downside. Or if it does.
There's no way it doesn't tag me. Nah, it's crazy.
It's struggling with this low.
Yeah, go back up.
Oh, alright, I'm out of that.
Bruh, it didn't fucking tag me in, bro.
Alright, I'm fully out. I will look for another entry.
I think it tested again. I think it goes to the supply zone at least.
No, I think it breaks the daily high, bro. I'm biased on that.
Let's see. Like it might, but I'm saying it goes up at least before coming down. So whether that's to the supply or break the daily high. Don't know. Should've fucking stuck with the queue. Should've just stuck with the queue, bro. Oh, actually, yeah. Literally 80 points. Yeah, that shit was free.
Is it longing? Oh, SPX is flying too, damn. Yeah, I might try this out actually. Oh, yeah, this is pushing up. Can barely hear you. How can you guys not hear me that best on YouTube? It's kind of confusing. Let me see.
Jeez.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's the third, I think. Oh, Leif, you want to give away? My bad, I didn't see that, bro. I got you. This is going up. Where's gold?
jeez, you gonna tag me in?
I think gold will just continue moving here.
That'd be pretty funny. No, if it just tagged me and just flew.
I think I'm gonna get in 441 calls. Yeah, alright, I'm taking these. I'm in 441 calls here at average of 89. This is gonna be just a voice chat trade, just because I'm seeing this one move up quickly. There we go.
I'm in.
You're in.
Shorts.
See this continuing up right here. So sorry, Rian.
It's okay. Well, at least one of us won.
At least one of us won. Where's your stop?
Right above the eyes.
We're tapping into the supply, but this is gonna be crazy right here. 7% on these contracts for anybody that took them.
Yo, Paul, bro, please just leave me alone, Paul and yo.
What?
Every time I enter position, bro, these guys are like first ones to say something. Is Ya Somali? Yeah. MQ is flying.
Did I hit my profit goal? Almost.
Paul, are you in this?
Alright, I am out almost at break even on these contracts.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm out. Got me out. Alright. Got me out of break even, so. Hopefully you'll bank on that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you work on the bot thingy for me, bro? So I don't have to tag the show.
Oh no, it's just I need someone to code it. It's not even about working on it, it's just I need someone to code it.
Okay. I can have one of my boys do it if you want.
No, because it has the whole Discord's API and everything.
Okay. But do you have someone to work with? You said you had most bot.
Wait, I need to assign it to you. So it needs to be assigned to you. So if you try to use it right now, it won't let you. I mean, it did tap into the supply. I just don't think so. Oh my god. Alright, I need to get back in this.
I'm broken right now.
I might get back in this.
Them GC shorts look mad nice. You're gonna try
Um,
23.5, Paul? Yeah, 23.5 is fine. I gave mine a 7-point stop, so I don't mind if it goes up there. At 40 ticks right now. Ticks right now.
I'm not in anything now, guys. Give me a moment while I look for something for me to take. This 5 is literally scary as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. So, would I want to take this? Probably not. But we have this demand. Oh, there's this, draw out this 1 minute demand. You guys see it? The fucking doji looking one right there on the left where you use your entry. No. Go back to your entry. Draw out that 1 minute demand. Do you see it on the left side? Right after, then it broke to the downside, push back up. Nope, the one to the left of it. Yes, that one. Draw it out and then go on the 5 minute. Go on the 5 minute. Look how it looks. Do you see it or no? It's literally a fair value gap. Rayan, I'm sorry. I'm back in calls 441. Looking for it to move back up.
Why? I told you your stop was like. I told you move your stops a little bit higher on the 19, bro. Let's see though. Still got a long ways to go.
Nasty. I'm not in shorts, I'm in calls, yeah. I'm in a long. Oof.
And take a break and come back stronger. Sorry, ZZ. Do you mean I took a break or do you want me to take a break?
Am I just over trading now? I'm reading calls or longs. Something tells me it's gonna knife through those. Just going up towards the daily break and then we reject. That's what I think, but I'm up 4% right now on these contracts. Are you and ZZ in the same house? Yeah, he's in the other bedroom, bro. We'll cuddle up at night. Just looking for a nice 10 to 20% move and that's it. Not asking for much, gold.
support a fib level, you're gonna get cooked, buddy.
I don't know what I'm looking at. I saw the longs from the bottom. We got stopped out. Doesn't even matter to it.
Yo, try doing if you blow this batch. Try doing the next challenge on Tradify, bro.
Actually,
Low key. Oh, yeah, fuck.
can we fucking run it on Tradify by now?
I forgot. I
Oh,
forgot.
fuck Lucid, man. I would have done it on Tradify immediate.
Yo, something about Lucid, bro. Like I just keep fucking donating money to them, bro. Like, I stopped using Lucid. Yeah, up 70 ticks on these shorts.
Actually?
Yeah.
Top tick that somebody stopped you.
W's.
You should have challenged on Tradify with us.
Are you joining one after that? Maybe we'll see.
Was it fib level? No,
Yo, yo, yo.
Supply zone.
supply zone on the fucking 3 minute, bro. Look at this. Okay, look. Okay, when I look, go to my channel. Look at my entry. Look at what my entry is. Is it at the line or is it at the fucking supply zone?
Why you lying too much?
I'm-
Why you lying to me? It's okay to use flips, guys.
You can use fibs.
Yeah,
I
I'll use
literally,
fib.
I'm not hiding it, but use it like implement it with the strat. Like don't just use fibs because you're gonna get fucking cooked. Like how we got cooked when we first tried to use the fibs. Getting the sauce from Ya, I promise you, Ya's never put me on anything in his life. He is the biggest gatekeeper of all time. I don't know what STE or OTE is, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Bottom tick and top tick also.
I think Paul gives up more sauce than Ya does, bro.
I put Paul
Funny.
gives us one too. Come on, Paul, get up here.
But only if Paul likes you.
Paul, get up here. Where's Mr. Fibonacci retracing over here? These fucking fib demons. Top tick, bottom tick demons. They always gatekeeping and shit.
Hmm. Yeah, thing with all these fib users, spooky, like literally any person that uses fibs, they love the gatekeep. They will never tell you their fucking strategy, bro. Gags, ODTE. Okay, 80 ticks on these fucking shorts.
Dubs. We're tapping into my demand. Be careful.
I'm sorry, but your demand is getting fucked.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a girthy demand, but I'm not too worried.
My
But I
stop
will
is
be
right
going
below it.
break-
Oh
There,
god.
okay, there's your demand. It
Oh
just
my
got fucking
god.
100 and holy shit, full
It
TP.
just dumped. Oh my god.
Full TP at 180 ticks or 170 ticks.
These contracts just went down to 44%, bro. Holy dump.
He's gonna blow up.
Full fucking TP. Yo, I had how much drawdown?
Holy. They just went from literally going down all the way 40% all the way back to 17.91 right now.
He doesn't have a bounty.
Holy.
Bro, look at how much fucking drawdown I had on this trade, bro.
Holy fibs.
Oh my god, bro. And what does this push up?
That shit off the fib, bro. Yo, fucking, yo, Tradeovate slipped me in profits for the first time. Oh my god. got an extra $200.
W's. Isn't that a good thing?
I need to lose it. I made 3,900 almost.
Yo, I'm still in this. The contracts are down 13%.
One and done on the day.
Tell them. They could hear you on YouTube. Hmm? Yeah. I might get out of this actually. This is just.
Yo, Paul, I actually hate you.
So they can't be near the premises.
Z, do you know like what you should say and what you shouldn't say online? No, it's not even about that. Like, like. You know the FBI is real, swatting is real, all these things. You know that those things are real, right? Okay.
I passed the second accounting
Okay.
report. Yo, if anybody took that, yo, please post it in profits and tag me. Yo, somebody yesterday banged like $4,000 off the trade. I heard it. I was so happy.
Ooh.
Post it in profits and tag me. Queen N. Zero to 10K, yo, y'all is dogging him, bro. He's got too much money. He spends like insane amounts on evals, but he makes it back. Okay, how do I lose money now?
Just in, out, in, out, in, out.
Yeah.
The top step method.
Oh, Aston, you took yesterday's long on GC? Fucking dogs, bro. Good shit. Okay, I just don't want like a random ass like Diddy Drake candle, bro.
I want that.
Took the same trade, but you took it off the fib. That's fine too.
How does your strat go? It works off of time frames. It works off of candles and just supply and demand. That's the only things that you need to know to trade the strat. We should name it something, cause we don't trade the traditional strat where you're like, it's 1, 2s, and 3s and shit like that.
Yo, is there a shortcut key to place an order on Tradability?
Yeah, I'm still in the calls.
Does anybody know, or do you have to set those up? It's fine. I'll just manually do it.
Breaks the recent lows, then that would be concerning. I'll more than likely get out.
Okay, alright, I lost money.
Alright, if it breaks that low. Thing is that it's gonna tap into a nice demand, but do I trust it? I don't know. Is it though?
GC, yeah, it kind of.
And I've been booking every single day for the past. Nah, it's chill. It's Friday. I'm not able to buy it.
think GC goes down to like at least. I didn't say nothing. You got that.
Hmm.
Hmm. Yo, it's actually so unfortunate, bro. It took you out by the tick. Oh yeah, I didn't see the first one. I came in late, but yeah, second.
Let's see how it does here.
I would not have held this one if I wasn't if I saw this like right away. I took it.
Give you a call.
Just wait for supply activities. I'll push this weekend. Pop on here.
Just come back in on Monday, dude.
Look up the consistency again on it.
How are you fucking? Oh yeah, when you come back. Yeah. I mean, at this point, like, I don't think you should try to pass him in one day. I think you should just try to pass him because
It's not the issue is not with breaching units. The issue is
Give me 1 second.
Oh. Well, if you go on the wait, let me. I took all my drawings off. Hold on one sec. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me draw this shit out again, bro.
Oh shit. Alright, I'm back.
wait for the SIL.
These contracts are down 10% now. I still see this going to the daily high.
Yeah, I drew out the one behind it because it's um, the last red candle before the move down, or the last fucking white candle before the move down. It's the last white candle before the big move down.
That's the last one.
I'm not taking that little ass thing as a supply zone, bro. You
No.
can go. I'm not taking that shit. You're crazy.
Okay.
Can I enter now if you want? So it's your choice, but I wouldn't, you know.
No, it tapped into the. Here, this is what I drew out. I'll just show it. Yeah, that's where my entry was, right under it. My supply or my stop loss is always based around the supply zone or the demand, depending on it's like.
Let's see.
Yo, Chaos, did you take that?
It's 111 for shipping, so just put modest number hours on it.
How do you even draw the fibs out?
Let's see.
Just swing high to swing low. Like you have to find a good swing. That's it. It's pretty self-explanatory.
When you say I see it goes to the high,
Again, there's
So,
motherfuckers in here that have been using.
this
fibs
is
forever.
daily
We have
high.
not.
This is daily low. I mean, this is why I'm biased for long. This daily right there.
Fucking nuts. Like that more.
Damn, how many points is it from my entry?
Yo, whoa, wait. This guy said if ZZ hits his next trade. Jason, I hit the first trade yesterday. You said you're gonna send a video of you shaving your head.
I love people took this. Jeez.
My appointment on Wednesday.
Oh wait, ZZ. You have to call me daddy. What? 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 What do you mean what I'm talking about?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, turbo trades.
Hmm.
Who's Turbo Trades?
Turbo trades. Was that? Did he not agree to that?
He did agree to it. Yeah, you did. You said if it hits TP, I'll call you daddy.
I'll say that.
Go back on YouTube video. Go back on YouTube video. No. Go back on YouTube video.
A YouTube video?
Come on.
Live.
You just gotta be like,
Next
okay, daddy.
God.
You just a little okay, daddy. It's fine. Come on.
There we go. Say ooh.
Yo, who clipped that? Yo.
This is all being recorded on my live, by the way.
He's like, what are you talking about? Who said that? I said that.
Can I enter? Bro, it's your choice to enter in or to exit. It's your choice. I'm still in this. I'm biased for that daily high, bro. That's all.
2 more minutes? Come on, chop, bro.
Oh, we have new hourly. Whoa, shit. If it breaks this high. One more minute until the new hourly, so. Damn. Are you still in the trade? You can see it right below me, bro. I am still in right now. Their contracts are down 43%, but I'm okay with holding them because I'm already green for the day, so I'm not gonna take that heavy of a loss, even if I do. But I do want to risk those profits to make a potential move to that high right there. So I do want to see what it takes us. Just have to wait and see though.
If anybody got the clip, it's easy. Send me that shit.
I'll clip it here today. I got you.
Yep. I think I'm done trading for the day. Yeah. And it's a Friday. Yeah, facts. So if you guys book, just get off. It's a Friday. Don't fuck up your weekends.
I feel like on Fridays you can't fuck them up because on Monday you come back and you're like, all right, you know, I'm ready to trade again. And even if you took a loss on Friday, like that loss is kind of gone. But like throughout the week, when you take a loss and you jump in the next day, you're like, fuck, you tweak out, you know?
Nah, me, like if I take a L on a Friday, then I'll be like, yeah, on Sunday night I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make it back, but still it's like I'll be like, damn, like I ended the week off right. Like I be getting in my own head. I don't like to, if I take a win on Friday, I'm done, bro.
Hmm.
Versus any other day of the week, because then I could just make it back tomorrow.
Stop working. Get your ass up here.
I've been trapped, bro.
Hey, we missed you.
These guys. Hey, bro. Playing 2K.
Did you hear? Did you hear Z?
Bro gave up on trading. That's it. It's done.
I CPI booked, bro. So
How much you booked on CPI?
1.8. I revived the account too.
Oh
Because
shit.
$1 drawdown left on it, bro.
Oh, let's fucking go.
Fresh XP.
How many points did you go up and down?
Well, there was no drawdown at all, but I have to check. I went up a little bit.
Like, did you give it 30 points, 40 points?
So I went with 2 minis, whatever it gives me 1.8.
Uh,
Oh, you mean like the limits?
yeah, limits. Yeah.
I look at did 15.
15 and you booked? I thought people would got cooked on like.
The TGR method, he says 60 ticks, which is 15 points.
Oh shit.
I am still in this, guys.
Plus my
Oh,
40,
honestly,
about 40 points.
I am just playing with profits. That's all.
honestly, one of the most dangerous traders. Yo, I love Sunday Open. I'm not gonna lie, Ash. Sunday Open is probably like my favorite day to trade.
Bro, it enters a flow state and then it just keeps going. Sometimes.
Like Sunday Open, like on Asia, like bro, it's so volatile and free. Like it can get bad. Yeah, I mean it can get bad if you gamble market open. But yeah, I get what you mean though.
Here I am on 2K getting my shit fried by a fucking bot.
You ever played 2K before, Rayon?
Yeah. What 2K is it?
26.
26. Yeah. I haven't played games in a while, but last 2K I played was like 20. 2K20.
I think people say that's the last good 2K.
The last, yeah, 20 was good. 17 was fucking goated. 19 was pretty tough.
You ever seen rugby?
Rugby? 2K rugby? It's so tough, bro. But what's it called? My first ever 2K was 2019. I played 2K2.
What am I looking at? B Marin 06. Is that you? If that's you, I would delete that, please. Oh, that's you. Oh. No, don't keep it. Don't delete it. I didn't know. How the fuck does he have that?
God had to have that.
Is that on your? I'm sorry, Z. I'm sorry. That was me. That was me.
Oh my god. Where's your sweater from? Uniqlo. Uniqlo is my favorite brand, pretty much so far. Just plain clothes, bro. No, nothing crazy.
Yes, Cyber. You saw the one from last night, and you told you we're breaking a learning curse with that one. Wow. If it breaks these lows, right, then you might be good. If it rejects you, then it's good. 4792. If it breaks those lows, like you're golden, I think. I don't know about. Yeah, the hourly one. Nitro Trades is in the chat.
Yes? What up? How you doing?
Damn, bro. What about me, bro? Fuck this guy.
Nah, he don't like
I
you,
know
bro.
you don't know.
No,
You
he
too?
don't know you. He don't. No, he don't know you, bro.
Nah. Nitro's goated.
No, he's going about. He don't know you, bro. Still.
Nah. Yo. Nitro, now that it's just us in here, Nitro. You could be honest. Like, you don't really trade favorite rally, yeah.
I'm live on YouTube, yo.
Okay.
Here,
Alright,
bring him up. Where's Nitro here? I don't see him in the chat. How do you guys see him?
He's typing, bro.
Yeah,
Or
I
maybe
don't
he's
see
not
him in
the
there.
call.
Oh no, he's right there.
What up, baby?
What up? How you doing?
Yo, bro, I had to drop it real quick.
How's Dubai?
Amazing, bro.
No more sounds around you, or?
No, it's been gone for a long time, bro.
Yo, we should know news before it drops because of you, bro. We should make a news channel, Nitro Trades channel.
Insider trading, huh?
Insider trading. Whenever we hear a missile, you just tell us it right away.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. We're playing right now. You're in short.
These in shorts. I've been in longs on gold for the daily high. I'm just in lottos right now.
It goes up from here.
It goes up from here. Z's gonna freak out.
Z, I told you if it breaks the lows, you're golden. If it rejects here, it's fine. Yo, my friend. I thought it was your friend.
Hey, how's that crib? Let me see the view, bro.
Oh shit. Yo, please. Yo, ZZ, tell Nitro what building that is.
Okay. Tell him what building that is, Z. What building is that? What's the name of it?
I think it's really.
What is it? We can't hear you, bro. We gotta come closer to the mic.
JP. Morgan, bro. Chase. I'm gonna fucking curse you over there, bro. You're listening to me.
Nitro, you should come down to Texas, bro.
You guys should come out to Dubai, bro. Talk about Texas.
That is a plan. Actually, Dubai, yeah. There is nothing here in Texas. Don't come here, actually.
Oh yeah, Dubai's the way, bro.
I want to move there.
Do it for sure, bro. 100%.
Yeah. How did you end up like fully moving there? Did you revoke your citizenship or no?
Well, hell no, no, no.
No.
Nah, I'm just out here 6 months. I'll go to Europe in like 2 months. Get there for a bit.
But I want to
Just
move there
out
for
of
the tax
American flag.
benefits. I mean, yeah, yeah.
Yo, see, you might have to put the fries in the bag.
Thing, what's it called? You won't get tax benefits, bro, if you're American, no matter where you go.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking about if I go there, I want to kind of revoke my citizenship and just live there for the rest of my life. Like, what's the point of being here, honestly?
There's nothing in America, honestly, bro. Just get like some random island passport, like those Caribbean ones.
Yeah.
Just blow out.
Move to an
It's
island.
so hot, bro.
It is, but same thing as Texas, bro. It gets hot as hell here too.
Yeah,
So.
but it's not Dubai heating Texas.
Yeah, but there's also like. Go ahead, Nacho.
It's a little. It gets hot in the summer. You gotta travel somewhere else, bro.
Like, it's pretty bad. Stay there for like 4 months in the summer. And it was like,
He's basically saying you gotta have motion so you could travel around after in summertime.
so if
and
you
you
live in Dubai, like you have to be in the upper tax bracket.
I think
It's not a
everybody
cheap
does
city.
there.
I mean, it depends on what you're trying to do out here. I mean, realistically speaking, like it's not crazy expensive either, but it's also not like cheap enough.
What's expensive? Is it the groceries or is it just the living like costs? What do you mean?
No, everything's cheap. Everything's like cheap and stuff. Like in LA, like I spend like for groceries and like eating out and all that, like maybe like 6-7K a month.
Mm-hmm.
Here I maybe spend like 2K,
I see what you did there, 6-7.
and that's like going ham, bro.
Wait, how much? You said over there in Dubai?
2 to 3K, and that's like good stuff. You know what I mean?
Wait, actually?
But
Bro,
it's
they're
not
cheap.
that.
People think it's crazy
It's not that
expensive.
expensive.
It's not. It's not. It's not expensive at all.
What
The
the
only thing
fuck
that's
am I doing in
expensive,
America?
look, cars, bro. For example, like a Ferrari 488. I'm about to get that pretty soon, like probably in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Bro, in America, that car's $250,000 plus tax plus insurance. That car over here is 130.
What the fuck?
Everything's dirt cheap, bro.
That's crazy. That is just wild as fuck. What the hell? That's just wild. No, I wanna. If I go there, I wanna move there. To be honest, because I don't see the point of being here. I even speak Arabic, so it's like living there would be fun.
You know what the thing is for me? It's like, this place feels like America, bro. It's just like safer. Like, you don't gotta walk around strapped 24/7.
Yeah, yeah. What about the what about Andrew Tate? Have you met him over there or no?
I saw his car one time, but that's it.
I would have went up to him. Like, this is the best way to approach him. Hold on, one second. This is the best way to approach Andrew Tate. All right, you guys ready?
Let's see.
All right. So if you're approaching, you gotta do this. Look, let me move the chair. All right, you gotta be like this.
I can't possibly think of what it could be.
What up, Andrew? How you doing? That's one way. Or just like walk up to it like this, and then just, what up, Nacho? How you doing? And then just, this is the second. Or if you're sitting down, it's okay. It's YouTube. They're chill. YouTube is chill like that.
Oh, you're on YouTube too, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, that's insane, bro.
and then you gotta like maybe you could do like, what else? Let me see. Well, what's another way? Oh, you could do this. If you approach him, you could do this, and then just, what up, Andrew? How you doing? And that's another one of these.
Jesus, bro. Crazies.
He'll definitely say hi back. Think about it. You leave him no choice but to say hi back.
Yeah, they have no choice. Say hi back.
Bro, so how the fuck did you clip it so fast?
That is fire as fuck.
Nitro, what do you trade your options on? What platform?
I do Weeble and Thinker still.
Okay.
think Thinkorswim is a lot better. Thinkorswim is a lot better than Webull.
Yeah, they were low key like royally molesting me on fees, bro. Just like, bro.
Wait, actually,
Yeah, I was getting smoked on fees, bro.
Webull will give you lower fees than Thinkorswim.
Oh no, that's what I'm saying. Webull is using better fees.
Oh, yeah. I was trading on Charles Schwab for a minute, but I
How do
just
you
stopped.
scale your trades on like options? Like, do you aim to make like a certain percentage and then you partial out, or do you just kind of just go as it goes type shit?
Yeah, bare minimum, I need to do at least 15% on the trade because my stop loss is usually like 15.
Mm-hmm.
And then so that's usually where I'll take out like 20-30% position. The rest I just do whatever I want. Like today, I took out what was it like 30%, around like 17%,
Okay.
and then I booked like the majority of it like 40%. Just dumped it 1 second.
How much size are you going in with? Like, how much are you risking roughly? I know you have probably a pretty big account, but
I do. I mean, I haven't done 50,000 recently, but the way I size is 26k like per average setups.
per trade.
50k is yeah.
Jeez.
50k is gonna be like per.
The contracts are back. Continue.
What was the last time I lost? I took a loss yesterday, but I haven't been right on the day in. What was the last red day I had?
Yeah, so 17, 20% on 26k is that's a lot.
What I like
100K
about
is like
options
1%.
more is just the ability. Like, if you guys want to deal with less alpha decay, look at in the money contracts. If you want to deal with more alpha decay, look at out the money contracts. And then you could just sit there and, like, for example, this move down whenever I got the in money contracts, this move down that I was looking at below the 15-minute supply or demand, sorry, that would have been maybe max negative 10 20%. Max. But if it was out the money, it would have been like 40 50% minimum. So those things you guys got to understand before you trade options. I was in stock VIP Nitro, and then I didn't know.
Nah, Z is gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's about to crash out. Nah, it's gonna fly. Z, trust.
It's gonna fly, bro. It's going up to that
I
daily
think
high.
it breaks the
You know the good
daily
thing about
now.
options is?
Huh?
Yeah.
You know the good thing about options is? If like MNQ and MGC or whatever move like shit for like 2 weeks, you got so many different things you can trade on options. It's like,
Mhm.
you know what I mean? Pretty decent.
You have Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, all these blue chip stocks that you could trade. They have good volume, and you can still trade them and make a lot of money off of them. I miss the old stock VIP days, Nitro.
Those are fun, bro.
The old days. Now stock VIP is dead, dude.
Now this is the new stock VIP right here.
Equinox, yeah.
Yeah, less of a degenerate way, but
No, James, I think he ruined it. To be honest.
we should take it over. Yeah, I was actually telling me, well, I was trying to take that server over, bro.
Really?
Yeah, but it's
Yeah.
it's just too bad, bro.
No, he's trying to sell it for like 3 mil or some shit like that. No, that's not. Nobody's gonna buy for that, bro. That server's gone.
Jesus, bro.
Yeah. What have you been trading? NQ, yes. On Asia, I've been seeing you popping out live.
Actually, no, Asia session I did gold. Learned that from you, actually.
Oh shit.
I think everybody learned that from Turbo.
Yeah. And then
Asia
MNQ, I just didn't think. I just caught a pretty nice CRT on I had a pretty nice trade on MNQ.
MQ is moving crazy for me. I can't trade it, bro. I've been just sticking to gold, and that's it.
Do you know what the crazy thing is? When you go live on like TikTok, bro, you have the most toxic chat, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I know.
Chat's so
But you gotta understand, like, that's TikTok algorithm, right? Like YouTube right now, I still haven't gotten one negative comment for the past 2 hours I've been live. But TikTok algorithm, bro, they're just brain rot. Like, you gotta troll with them. So I'm like, when I take off, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna take another one, you know? They get mad.
Dude, it's whack. No, I always open up my phone. It's always the same time, 4 a.m. I'm like, bro, let me hop on TikTok. First thing I open it up to is always Turbo. I'm like, alright, let me hop in here. This is going on and bounce. Open it, bro. This guy's yesterday. Open this guy's like crashing out in chat for no reason, saying like, "What's wrong with you?"
It's because I took this loss. Let me show you. It was this loss. Oh no. Was it this one? Oh yeah, yeah. It was this loss right here. I took this as a losing trade. Oh, I'm not even streaming. Z, let me stream. No, no, no. Yes, he's here. Right here. I took this loss, and then everybody started tweaking out on TikTok because they're like, yeah, like we took an L, whatever. And then I jumped back in longs. I had the same exact bias, and then I booked $5,000 on it and just go quiet. That's the thing. Like, just let them be. Just let them yap. I'm like, okay, I don't really care. They could cry, do whatever.
Weird,
Fuck.
I don't know. Like people don't understand. I mean, it makes sense because to them, bro, trades by side has a 99% win rate. They fall for the BS, bro. They fall for all these like crazy.
Oh yeah, that guy. Who? Wait, that's the black dude, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah. I forgot about him. Damn. He's tough, Nitro. What do you mean? He has.
Bro, it's like 300 million.
Bro, he trades like
$300 long.
$5.5 million trades, bro. Like, it's insane.
Bro, you're $30,000, $26,000 trade.
That's nothing. That's pocket change, guys. That's pocket change, bro. Like, we don't got that motion. He makes $30 million a trade. I don't know how he's not on like.
He made $100 million on an offshore brokerage, and he has a $15 Temu chain and sits at $30 baseball games.
No, he's not. He's not in an offshore brokerage. That place is in Casablanca. It's in the middle of a house. It's.
They're banned in the U.S. Imagine.
They're banned in the U.S. is crazy.
They're literally banned in the U.S.
So who's his target audience? Europeans? What the fuck?
His?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all American. Or you can still use it with a VPN.
I am still in these contracts. They're just down 20%. I'm okay with holding them. They're just lottos for me. I'm green on the week, so it's completely fine for me to take a complete L on these contracts, and I'll be fine. No, literally, like, you know, him trades by side. I aspire to be like him.
Same,
You
bro.
know, one day I'll make 1.5 million. I swear, bro. I'm gonna, guys. If you guys
Stop
wanna
you from just
see
making
this,
your own brokerage and putting $100 million PL.
let's do it. I'll promote it. I'll promote the broker with you. We both promote it together, and then we could. The sky is the limit, But past the sky, we're not gonna get there.
$500 million, brother.
We just open a hedge fund, not in the U.S. though. Somewhere else. Once you deposit that money's gone, bro. You're not touching it again.
Oh my god, bro. It's outrageous. The things I've seen sometimes, bro. I've been in this industry for so long, bro. I've seen like such whack stuff.
I remember when I first joined. What's it called? Stock VIP. I was still new to the space. You remember Steph Trades? He's the person that I think fell off the hardest, to be honest. And you guys can tell me if
Oh
I'm
my
wrong.
god, yeah, Steph fell off.
Steph fell off so hard, bro. He was popping. And then I learned like supply and demand, quote unquote. I'm like, oh shit, he trades supply and demand. Let me see what he's onto. Where the fuck did he go? And then just so many things I can't talk about on YouTube, guys. I'm sorry. If I get off YouTube, then I'll talk about it freely.
Remember Goblin Gang in the fall off? Oh my god, that was Atlas. Atlas days, bro. They all got arrested.
Did you see the platform that we're working on, Nitro?
Nah, what is it?
I'm sure you this. It's called TradeVex. I'll show you this. I think you'll like it.
It's not working.
It's down right now? Oh, of course. The day that I want to show it. Okay. You broke it again?
I broke it yesterday. He still hasn't been able to fix it since yesterday.
Bro, just stop using it, right? Just play. So it's a platform that lets you copy trade across multiple platforms or prop firms. At the same time, it's a trade journal, and at the same time, you could think about Project X, this whole interface, but it's the same exact. It's on the platform, so you don't have to go like TradeSync, or you could log in and connect your accounts and then go on TradingView and then trade from there. No, you just log in to the actual software and you just trade. You copy trade from there. You could journal from there. You could do everything you want. It's all of it combined. It's pretty cool. Can I? So when is?
That's the only picture I have of it.
Where's
That platform?
TradeVex? When is it coming back up? Can you launch it real quick so I can show Nitro and then we could. No? I sent you the link? Okay. Oh no, I just saw. Damn, you texted me yesterday. I forgot to answer this actually. Did it? But it's not letting me log in there. Let me see. Oh. Oh, I gotta log in through this. Okay.
The only thing is gonna be back up.
All right. So here, I'll just show you Nitro. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is like the front user interface. Let me just real quick log in because I don't know if it's gonna show my email and stuff. I do not want to show that just in case. Alright, I am logged in. Alright, cool. There you go. Alright. So this is what it looks like right here. When you log in, you have this is where you could basically take trades, you could take positions, exits, losses, whatever, all this stuff. These are the accounts that are being copy traded, so you could link your accounts if you want to from the trade copier right here, and then you can connect all the different platforms that you want to connect. So we have even live accounts, you could request them. You have Apex, Lucid, My Fund Futures, Tradify, Take Profit Trader, Alpha, Top One. All these platforms, they have the exact same common issue. Everybody hates trading on TradingView because it's so laggy. It's like slow, it's just shit fills everything. So that solves this problem. You could trade, and then the data that you see here is literally in comparison with what's it called? With Tradevate.
It's not comparison. It's from Tradevate.
It's from Tradevate. It's like literally it's the exact same. It's the exact same data. And then the best part is for us as Discord owners, you could actually set up your Discord API for the webhook, and then whenever you take a trade, you could just send it out as a signal from here.
Oh, holy shit.
Yeah, so you could click send signal, and then it could just like right there, click use position, and it will send the signal out right away to whoever, whichever server you're on. What else? Analytics right here. This is where you see all that stuff that's happening, the trades, all the stuff is here. This is not my account. I'm always just showing this, but just so you can see it right there. Yeah. It shows you all the accounts that you're trading, all the stuff that you're trading, everything is there.
Oh, show them the TPSL. Drag that shit.
TradeVex is can I
It's
take?
a demo account.
Is it a demo? But it's copy trading. Oh, okay, bet. Yeah, okay, bet. Alright. So say you take like positions right here. Say I took longs. You could do this. And then now you have this where you could move it around, just like Top Step.
It's like Project X on crack, basically.
Basically, literally. But instead of it being a prop firm, it's literally just for us to use. And you could set limits like this if you want, or you could set limits by right clicking and then putting the limit contracts. What else? What else is in here? Lockout feature. Oh yeah, trade copy right here. So you have all of these. This will show you how much P&L is on each account if you want to have that there. And then you also have, where was it? Where's the level 2 data again? Oh, right here. So you can get level 2 data too. The heat map. Right over here.
Sick, bro. This is hella sick.
It's really cool. I think it'll be good for the platform, for the whole community. Trading community would be a lot better with this.
Cross firm shit is a game changer, bro.
That's hella fire, bro.
So if you get banned on one firm, you get banned on all firms.
Nah, it doesn't work like that. Yo, TradeVex, do you know when it's gonna be back up? I was gonna use it today, but it's not working.
Do you think he LARPs? What's his name? Trades by Sai? No, he doesn't LARP. He's not a LARPer.
Nice, most legit guy out there.
I would personally buy his mentorship. I mean, he doesn't have one. He doesn't sell a course. Come on, guys. Lock in. Isn't that enough?
Sell a course, but he gets $50,000 from your deposits, brother.
He makes that course money from trading, and but trading. and you as well, but trading.
And it's like saying the M3 40.
It's basically that, just like that.
Trading. And you.
He trades, he takes the losses, but when you deposit the money, we deposit the money together. It's a we thing. You see what I'm saying? Yo, Gold, what the fuck are we doing? What the fuck is this?
Maybe he just doesn't want to break high.
This is the demand of the century, bro. This is holding up so well. It is not breaking those lows.
Damn.
Bro said we.
All right, twin. I'm gonna head out to the gym real quick.
What time is it right now for you?
Right now it's 7:30 p.m. Exactly on dot.
Yeah, how tall is
Bro, that's fucking. That's so sick.
I trade at 5:30 p.m. and I'm done. 6:30 the next.
I'm doing it. Z, we gotta make a move, bro. Dubai is a place. But, alright. It was good having you, bro. Feel free to come back whenever you get a chance. Alrighty, bro. Take care.
So you guys take care. I'll talk to you guys.
Alrighty, bro. We need to make a move to Dubai, bro. Trading at New York session at 7 a.m. Or 7 p.m., sorry.
Z, bro. Z, why are you so quiet, bro? Yeah, I don't feel the energy from you today, bro. Why didn't you give a shot to what I talked to you about, or what we talked about?
I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heart.
Yo, TradeOVX.
I'm watching the live. My live. I want to. I'm actually taking today's for that with the for that with the and I'm liking that.
Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. It's valid, bro. The car will change everything for you. I want to go back to Hawaii. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Maui. All right. All right, let's get the heck out of here. Let's get the day going. It's Friday. Alrighty, guys. I'm leaving these just as lottos again. I'm not really bothered by them. I'm up for the week, so I'm not really tripping about them. Zero hero. So just leaving them. They're not crazy size positions or anything like that. But if anybody got any questions, anything like that, feel free to reach out. Bias for that daily high. I want to see us break that daily high. So it's just a matter of how long it takes for us to get there. Do we close the daily off inside? Is that also a potential? Yeah, I don't think so. I'd strongly doubt that we close this daily, Yeah, there's no way we close this daily like that, but is it good to re-enter now? I mean, I'm holding these as just lottos, but this 15-minute demand is what I'm basing these off of. So let's just say we break out of this, then that'll be worrying. So just kind of seeing this as a small retracement to this to push up higher towards that daily high, which is all the way up here. So we'll just draw that out using this. I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute. Say the 5 actually. 15-minute. So that's the daily high, all the way up here. So I mean, explosive move up there would be interesting. That's 80 points. Is that possible? Yeah. Maybe there's a potential. Maybe. I'll have to just wait and see. But anyways, yeah. See you guys back on for Sunday. Alrighty, everybody. Take care. Are you doing a futures challenge next month? I'm doing it this month. I'm doing on trade. So, these 3 accounts right here. These are the ones for the challenge, basically. So we're already 2 days green on these. So 3K on the first day. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So yeah, $3,000 day on this and $3,000 day today again. So we just need one more winning day, which is hopefully Monday or Sunday. Pass the accounts and we trade them. But yeah. Alright, everybody. See you guys back on. Latest.